Wyndham Dallas Suite in Park Central. I'm going to give a little room tour. So I already stayed here overnight, so I'm doing this in the morning. I got in really late last night, so I didn't actually get a chance to film it since I was tired. So I'm just doing this as I wake up. This is the suite. I'm not too sure what room this is, but I think it's a king bed. I don't remember what I booked, and I got it for a really good deal. So and I'm staying by myself, so I didn't really need anything special. But pretty big room. That's your front. As you can see, that's the front. So we got a little, I guess, like a mini bar over here. Got your basic coffee makers and creamers. Got some tea. Got some Brazil French roast coffee. More coffee. Then I give you a bunch of coffee. Also over here you got a little fridge too, so I always put some water bottles in there because I need water. That's my water, by the way. I had to bring my own water. Luckily I saved my water bottle. This is the restroom. As you can see, I already kind of unpacked it, using it. So last night, when I came in, they gave me 3 bottles of body lotion. No shampoo, no body wash. So I had to go to the front office. I had to call front desk and ask for body wash and shampoo. So they gave me a bar of soap. Not really a big fan of using the bar of soap. So I didn't use it. I'm glad I bought my own shampoo. I brought my own body wash. They did give me shampoo. And I got this shampoo from another hotel that I stayed at. I always keep the extra body wash that I don't finish using. So this is a bit the shower. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice place. It's pretty big and spacious. Coming back this way. So you actually have a door here too that closes from your room to I guess the front. Then you also have a full mirror over here too. Full size mirror. Then you got your basic closet, your safe, iron, whatnot, iron board. Then you enter the room, really unpacked, so it's kind of messy. Another basically full size mirror. Place to put your luggage, trash. Got your basic TV. Chair to sit on. This is my view outside. Nothing special, but it works. And you got the bed, and I always just on the bed, so trying to make the bed as best as I could, but that's not how it originally looks. Bed is pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. Got your outlets over here by the bed, so you can charge your devices. I guess I can open this, show you what's inside. Basic Bible. Yeah. So yeah, this room is actually very roomy. Have a lot of space to put your stuff. Do people even use drawers when they go on hotels? Because I personally, I just like to keep everything together. So in case if I gotta go, I just grab everything and leave. But I had to work out, so I kind of let my clothes dry right there. Other than that, I usually just keep everything together. But yeah, pretty comfortable couch over here. You can come over here and you can just relax. And of course, they got room service too and whatnot. I'll show you the room service. I hope y'all can see this. I don't know if this is gonna come out clear or not, but I hope so. I don't think I would be ordering room service just because I'm here with some friends, or I have friends here hosting me that they've been taking me out to eat late a lot. They also have a breakfast buffet, which I probably won't get to check out, but it's not too bad of a price, like 15 bucks. But yeah, for now this is just a room. Like I said, not bad. I guess the room I paid like 70 bucks price line is originally priced like I think like 100 to 120. I can't remember exactly, but it's definitely worth it. Definitely check price line first. So this is the area outside the room. Pretty cool. It's an indoor place, and then yeah, it's really nice looking for being indoors. Kind of got like 3 sections. Each section you can overlook downstairs. And then you got a place you can, like, you know, hang out. Another view of the hotel outside. I guess from here you can see all 3 sections, you know. So it's pretty cool. In the middle is the elevators. You go up and down. I'm not gonna walk all 3 sections for you all, because I think it's pretty similar when you walk from one to another one. But I'll show you all the elevator. I guess over here is the food. Well, they got breakfast buffet, but I'm not gonna get any buffets. Sorry about that. It is $14.99, which is not too bad. See, in that corner you got more chairs to just hang out. Over here's the elevator. You got 3 elevators. It's pretty confusing, man. Because sometimes you don't know what elevator you get on, and you don't know what room there is. But it does tell you where your room numbers are, so that's pretty helpful. So this is the entrance of the hotel. When you walk in, you turn to the left over here. You check in. Overall, pretty nice hotel. The bottom view. In the middle right there, that's kind of like the elevators. Got a lounge area over here, which is pretty nice. Some decorations. It's a pretty nice lounge area, you know. Got some friends over, sit here, have some chit chat. It's a cool stairs. It's another entrance to the I guess the back entrance to the hotel. They got meeting rooms. Got a lot of meeting rooms. I haven't seen inside, so I don't know how big it is, but tried to go in one yesterday, but it was locked. And they got more meeting rooms over here. Hopefully you all can hear me. But if not, I might just do a voiceover. Hopefully this is good enough where I don't need to do a voiceover. Never done it before, you know. First time doing a hotel review. So hook it up, Wyndham. I guess this is like the bar. I didn't go to the bar. I don't drink that much anymore, so. Then yeah, guess this is the restaurant. They got breakfast buffet right now. $14.95. Includes omelets and eggs. a quick rundown of the menu. Can't exactly go inside because you know you gotta pay, so can't show you exactly the food, but it's pretty big dining area. Feel like it's a lot of food though for breakfast, but I'm about to go eat with some friends, so save my stomach for some real food. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna fork out $14.95 just to show you guys the what kind of food they offer. So this is the gym area. Worked out here last night. Pretty basic gym. When you enter on your left, you get your drink machine. Got your snack machine, which is pretty cool. Has a good amount of snacks. Just snacks, fast snacks. Over here you got your instant noodles. So, you know, can't go wrong with instant noodles. And you got your restroom and your water fountain. Water fountain came in handy last night. Then you got room 1 for your gym over here. I guess it's more the weight room, I guess. Alright, pull-up machine. Let me go ahead real fast. Let me get a pull-up done real fast, man. Can you ever see anything? Yeah. Yeah, get my morning workout in real fast. So I had to put that in the video. Got your, you know, your running machines here. So they don't have a lot of machines, but it's about 10 o'clock right now and it's empty, which is perfect, I guess. You got a TV over here. So you know, you can get your basic workout in, but can't do anything too crazy. Over here you got your swimming pool. It's pretty cool. They got people in there, so I don't want to go in there. And you go over here. Guess that's the indoor pool. And you have an outdoor pool as well. Oh, it's locked. They use indoor pool. Please use indoor pool entrance. I don't know how that works. It's cool then, man. Don't worry about it. Appreciate it. This is my first time doing a hotel review video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment on what you think. Subscribe for more content like this, please.